what do we see here? We see a tree with no leaves. Now, we see another tree with leaves. Now we can clearly say that a tree looks much more beautiful when it has leaves on it. But is it the only function of leaves to make the tree look beautiful? Not really. Leaves have many more functions. So a very important function of leaves is to manufacture food. Green color of leaves is due to a pigment called chlorophyll. Now chlorophyll helps the leaf to utilize sunlight to make food from water and carbon dioxide. The process in which carbon dioxide and water combine to give glucose is a chemical reaction called photosynthesis. So leaves have chlorophyll, and chlorophyll along with sunlight helps leaves to prepare food, and water and carbon dioxide are the main components which are required to make that food, and this process is called photosynthesis. So what exactly happens in photosynthesis? Well, carbon dioxide and water are utilized by the leaf in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to make glucose and oxygen. Glucose is stored inside the plant and this is used as food, while oxygen is released and that is inhaled by us too. So this is the entire process by which food is made by plants. So leaves get sunlight and they take CO2 from the atmosphere and they have chlorophyll inside them, and water is supplied from the roots, and there they produce glucose and oxygen. Now glucose is stored in the plant itself while oxygen is released out, and this process is called photosynthesis. Now glucose produced by photosynthesis is used by plants as food, and leftover glucose is stored as carbohydrates in stems, roots, seeds and fruits, which are used by human beings and other animals as food. So photosynthesis provides food not only to plants but indirectly to us. Now another important function of leaf is respiration. So exchange of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place through tiny pores on the leaves called stomata. So if you zoom in, you will see there are tiny pores like this. These are called stomata. So these tiny pores are called stomata, and exchange of gases in leaf takes place through stomata. So now can you answer this question? Exchange of gases in leaf takes place through tiny pores called dash. What is the right answer? Well, the right answer is stomata. So these tiny pores are called stomata. Now another important function is transpiration. So what is this function? Well, plants also release excess water in the form of vapor through stomata by a process called transpiration. So in the presence of sunlight, that is heat of sunlight, the excess water evaporates from the surface of the leaves through stomata, and this process is called transpiration, and it is a very important process which is performed by leaves again. So if we talk about functions of leaf, well, there are three major functions. One is that they manufacture food by the process of photosynthesis. Also, exchange of gases through stomata are carried out on the leaf surface, and leaf releases excess water by the process of transpiration. So all these processes are carried out by leaves of plant, and these are important functions of leaves.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.